Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add connections on Discord. Connecting your Discord profile to other online services like Twitch, YouTube, or Steam is a fantastic way to showcase your interests and activities. These connections allow your friends and server members to see what you're up to on other platforms, enriching your profile and making it more dynamic. It's a simple process that significantly boosts your social presence within the Discord community, making it easier for others to discover your content and engage with you across various platforms. To begin, open your Discord application on your desktop or through your web browser. Look for the small gear icon, which represents user settings, usually found near your username at the bottom left of the screen. Click on this icon to open your settings menu. Once inside, navigate to the left-hand sidebar and find the Connections tab. This is your central hub for managing all external services linked to your Discord account, providing a clear overview of your current integrations. Now that you are in the Connections section, you will see an Add button. Clicking this button reveals a comprehensive list of services that Discord supports for integration, such as Twitch, YouTube, Steam, and many more. Select the service you wish to connect. You will then be prompted to log into that service and grant Discord the necessary permissions to access specific information. This authorization step is crucial for successfully linking your accounts and displaying your activities. Once your accounts are linked, the Connections tab becomes your management center. Here, you can see all your connected services at a glance. For each connection, you have options to customize how it appears on your Discord profile, such as toggling whether to display it or not. If you ever decide to unlink a service, simply click the X next to it and confirm the removal. This gives you complete control over your shared information and privacy settings within Discord.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.